Lately, I have been asked, so what's new at Blackburn OEM Wheel Solutions? I heard you were acquired. How is the transition going? How will that impact our business with you? My response to these types of questions is, buckle up. There's a whole lot of excitement happening. To give you the backstory, this past August, All-Star Lighting acquired Blackburn OEM Wheel Solutions. All-Star Lighting is a company that specializes in the reconditioning and distribution of automotive OEM headlights, fog lights, marker lights, tail lights, and side view mirrors. These products are provided in new aftermarket, new OEM, or reconditioned OEM. These condition options nearly mirror Blackburn's OEM wheel product offering exactly. The lights are packaged in a box and supplied to body shops and repair facilities nationwide, as Blackburn OEM Wheel Solutions has done for years with their OEM wheel products. Last year, All-Star decided to add a complementary product line that could utilize their national distribution footprint and provide customers more of the same excellent service with a related product line, and OEM wheels seem to be a natural fit. Today, All-Star Lighting has transitioned to All-Star Auto Parts, the premier provider of OEM lighting and OEM wheels nationwide. This journey began with the acquisition of Perfection Wheel in late 2021. Perfection Wheel is located in Huntington, Indiana, and is a top-line OEM wheel reconditioning facility. Simultaneously, Jonte Wheel was acquired. Located in Knoxville, Tennessee, Jonte is one of the largest OEM wheel replacement suppliers to the market. Now fast forward to August of 2022, when Blackburn OEM Wheel Solutions was added to the mix, now forming the most complete OEM wheel provider in the country. And for those of you who may not be familiar with the OEM wheel portion of All-Star, we are the premier supplier of OEM wheels, both steel and alloy, for foreign and domestic automobiles and light trucks. Now, with a significantly enhanced reconditioning process, inventory, and distribution network, our service to you will be second to none. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me directly at 216-973-9309 or todd.d@blackburnwheels.com. Thank you.